So what's my favorite fishing spot in Louisiana and what makes it special to me? There happened to be this drawbridge that was under the New Orleans East high-rise. And over there, before I had access to fish on a boat, I loved the nature of getting out there, again, the saltwater fishing. There was an area along the industrial canal in which you could catch fresh speckled trout, and it was during a certain time of the day when the water was flowing during a tide situation. And so I would go there regularly. I would load up on my limit of fish and bring them back home to clean them. I don't know if we can fish there anymore, but used to be able to at least, 15 years ago when I got into fishing.